Happy birthday to you naman. I'm sure happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Nagdiwa nga kahapon ng birthday itong si Rupa Gutierrez. Belated birthday celebration na nga ang naganap dahil noong isang buwan pa nga ang kanyang birthday. Kasama naman itong si Rufa na nag-celebrate ang kanyang matatalik na kaibigan. Kabilang na nga dito ay sina Alex Dixon, Sunshine Cruz, Marjorie Barreto, Bianca Manalo, Kylie Bersosa at Pinky Tobiana. Present din dito ang kanyang hipag na si Sara Labati.
It's 1 month after my birthday and it's the first time that I'm celebrating because I've just been blessed to have so much work. And of course, during the pandemic, parang 3 years na ako hindi nagsi-celebrate. So I just chose a few of my closest friends. Actually, marami pang kulang because close friends mean like 50 or 60 friends.
Mayroon namang mensahe ang mga best friend ni Rupa para sa kanya ngayong nagdiriwang siya ng kanyang kaarawan.
Well, she was 13 and I was in my 20s na pala. And she used to call me ate. So now I'm like, don't call me ate anymore. So now we're barkada, and just remember, she's always just a funny girl. And sabi niya, for me, she's kind of like the sun, because everybody loves to revolve around her. She attracts.
I would say actually we used to have this project. She would just send soap and a lot of things. And with that proof, I really want to say thank you. I'm so grateful because giving is healing. And when you give a lot,
you guys believe this. There's just one thing to say about Ruthie. With all the glitz and glam, with everything that she does, with all of them, with the many people that she hangs out with, there's one thing: genuine. Hashtag genuine. Gusto mo yung hashtag genuine.
You're my longtime friend, and you've never changed. You've gone through so much seasons in your life, and you never changed. I love you. I think. Oh, I love you. You've been really a friend, even to my kids. So thank you so much. You are very amusing and very animated. Si Rufa is better than CNN and Raptor combined. Lalo na ng kampanya. Oh my gosh. Ang caller ko, girl. Another girl. Girl, sino ba ng girl? Oh my God. Nakakaano siya. So yun, you are very, very, very sweet. Yes, ito totoo yun. Napakatotoong tao talaga. Ang dami ko nang sinabi.
One word nga pala.
Friend's birthday, when they ask you a favor, you always have to say yes. Yes. And that's my mantra for 2022.
Wow!
Ayon nga kay Rufa ay 3 years na nga daw hindi siya nagse-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Ngayon nga lamang daw siya ulit nakapag-celebrate dahil super blessed naman nga daw niya ngayon dahil marami nga siyang project na nagagawa.